Science and commerce students, wishing you a very good day. I hope all are enjoying this online lecture series. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter 2, The Tiger King. It is written by Kalki. The Maharaja of Pradhibanandapuram is the hero of this story. He may be identified as His Highness Jemindar General Khilendra Major Sattva Vaikara Samhari Maharaja Vishwabhuvana Samrat Sri Jilani Jung Jung Bahadur MAD ACT or CRCK. So these are the short forms of his names, but his name is often shortened to the Tiger King. He is often called or well known as Tiger King. So let's have a look at the explanation of this paragraph. The writer introduces the main character of the story, the king of Pradhibanandapuram. The king is a hero due to his bravery. He is given a list of titles to emphasize on his greatness. To sum up all the titles in one, the king is called the Tiger King. The reason for him being called so shall be revealed in the lessons ahead. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending to advance, only to end in a strategical withdrawal. Even the threat of Sutka bomber will not throw me off track. Sutka bomber means it is a type of bomber aircraft used by the Germany. The Sutka, if it lies, can be beat. Hasty retreat from my story. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of indomitable courage face to face, but there is no chance of its fulfillment. Uh, the writer tells us that he would let us know why the king was called the Tiger King. He further promises the reader that he will not go back on his promises even he is under the threat of an attack by a Sutka bomber aircraft. Instead, he says that the Sutka bomber aircraft can go back because he is not scared of it, and he will tell the reader why the king was called the tiger. So, listen, the writer is telling that he would definitely tell what is the reason behind the name of the Maharaja or the title behind the Maharaja, the Tiger King. He said that if Sutka bomber aircraft means a type of bomber aircraft used by the Germany and come and attack me, it will go back from me because it cannot threaten me by revealing the mystery behind the name, the Tiger King. Okay. The writer says that before elaborating about the Tiger King, one important thing about him was that any person who read about the Tiger King would be very excited to meet a man of such undefeatable courage. So the writer is saying that. So before elaborating the story, the writer is saying that there is one important thing about him. There is a special thing about him was that any person who read about the tiger, those who are read about the Tiger King would be very excited to meet a man of such undefeatable courage. So he was such a brave man because when a person came to know him about the bravery, definitely he would be what? But he would be very much excited and tries to meet him, but he says that there is no chance of meeting the Tiger King as the Tiger King is already dead and he has reached heaven. And he said that if he wants to meet him or if he want to feel to meet him, we cannot do it because already he is now in heaven. That means he had died. Dasarada, the Tiger King has reached the final abode of all living creatures. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. The manner of his death is matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, heroes of heroes, champions of champions. But they bit their lips and swallowed hard. When compelled to continue, the astrologers came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all. And yet we are forced to speak out. The child born under the star will one day have to meet its death. So, the writer gives an elaborate description of what the astrologers predict at the time of the birth of the Tiger King. So, when the Tiger King was born, at that time the astrologers have done some foretelling or some prediction about his life. They said that the child would grow up to become a brave warrior. So they said that, the astrologers said that the child would be a great warrior, a hero and a champion, but after that they stopped and bit their lips in order to show their eloquent speak. But after their prediction, they said that the child is a very hero, he is a great warrior, he is a brave man. But after that, suddenly they stopped their lips. Suddenly they stopped and bit their lips. Bit their lips means tongue their lips in order to show their reluctance to speak. When the astrologers were forced to continue, they said that they would reveal just now was a secret. So after that, when the astrologers keep silence, all were compelled and forced to predict the secret about his life. And they said that when the astrologers were forced to continue, they said that they would reveal just was a secret. So they would reveal it was a secret. They said that the child, that is the Tiger King, was born under such a star. That means when he was born, the star which was up there in the sky was such that any person who was born at that time had to meet his death one day. So the astrologers predict that the birth time of this child was an unlucky one. He has to meet the death one day. Again, this prediction is meaningless because as a fact, everyone has to meet his death one day. So as we know, every person has to meet his death one day. So this prediction is what? It is an utter useless, we can think. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of 10-day-old Jilani Jung Bahadur. Oh, wise prophets! Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. Oh, wise prophets! It was I who spoke. This time there was no ground for doubt. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the words so clearly. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. All those who are born will one day have to die. We do not need your prediction to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of that death. The royal infant utters these words in his little words. As the astrologers revealed the secret of prediction, a miracle took place. So the astrologers was predicting about the future life of the Tiger King. The 10 years old Tiger King, the 10 years old, the 10 days, sorry, 10, not 10 years, it was 10 days old Tiger King, whose name was Jilani Jung Bahadur. So what was his name at that time when he was a baby? His name was Jilani Jung Bahadur. He spoke up. The Tiger King started to speak up when he was 10 days old. All the listeners were surprised. All the listeners means, yes, we are all surprised because if a baby start to speak at the time of 10 years, we all are surprised to see a 10 days old baby speak. The Tiger King called out the wise astrologer. The 10 days old baby called out the wise astrologer, and the main astrologer removed his spectacle and looked intently at the baby. Actually, the astrologers were much surprised because the 10 days old baby has called them. The Tiger King said in squeaky voice that all those who are born have to die one day. This 10-year-old baby, the Tiger King said to the astrologers, all those who are born have to die in one day. Those who have born has to die in one day, and he did not need their prediction to know this fact. So this 10 days old baby, our Tiger King, said that yes, people, those who born one day will surely die in a day. That is a common fact. So we don't want to need this type of prediction. But to prediction, he added that if they told him the manner of his death, that would make some sense to him. He said that you have to tell how, in which manner I will be die, in the which way I will be die. So I hope students you will understand about this lesson. So if you are not understanding means please watch the video and also read the textbook 2 times and keep waiting for the continuation of this lesson. Bye bye.